Hello student of class 10. Now chapter 6 triangles, same chapter. In previous video I have explained you the proofs of theorems based on similar triangle. There are 3 theorems I have explained. Now I will explain 2 more theorem. These are the Pythagoras theorem and converse Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Now see here, Pythagoras theorem. The theorem is in a right triangle. The square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. Square of the hypotenuse, it is 90 degree, opposite to 90 degree is this line is hypotenuse. Square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the other square of other two sides. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Draw a perpendicular construct, draw a perpendicular BD on AC. Now in triangle, first one by one I colored here in the sense of, first you have to take this blue color triangle and the whole triangle ABC. You have to compare these two similarity, you have to prove. Again you have to prove yellow color triangle and whole triangle. Okay. Now first one is in triangle ADB, and when you will write the triangle, as I am writing the smallest angle, then right angle, then another angle. In this way also the second, the right smallest angle, the right angle, then this angle. In this way you have to take the triangle. So in triangle ADB and triangle ABC. In these two triangle, angle B is equal to angle D. Each is 90 degree. Angle A is common. So therefore by angle criteria, triangle ABC and triangle ADB are similar. As they are similar, so by BPT we can write it AD upon AB is equal AB upon AC. Okay. Now cross multiply these two. So AB square is equal AD into AC. Got it? Now second relation from yellow triangle and whole triangle. In CDB and CBA. Okay, these two triangle. Angle D is equal to angle B. Both are 90 degree. Angle C is common. Therefore, by angle criterion, triangle CDB is similar to triangle CBA. Okay, these two triangles are similar. Therefore, CD upon CB means BC is equal to it is CB means BC. You can write according to alphabetical order, BC upon AC. Now again cross multiply. It is BC square is equal to AC into CD. By adding first and second equation, we are going to add, because in relation you see relation has given AB square plus BC square. So we have to add it. So this first and second relation you add, AB square plus BC square is equal AD into AC plus AC into CD. Take AC as a common this side. So AD plus CD. In figure you see AD plus CD is equal to AC. So you can write it AC into AC square. So AB square plus BC square equal AC square. It is the proving of Pythagoras theorem. Next is converse of Pythagoras theorem. The theorem is in this way, in a triangle, if the square of one side in a triangle, not a right angle triangle has given, okay. If the square of one side is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides, then the angle opposite to the first side is a right angle. One square of one side is equal to the square of other two sides. Then angle opposite to the first side, it is right angle. Angle B is a right angle. We have to prove that. Okay. For that proving, we have to construct a right angle triangle PQR. Another one right angle triangle we are drawing. Angle Q is a right angle, where draw in such a way PQ is equal to AB. This PQ is equal to AB and QR is equal to BC. In this way we have to draw. Now proving from right angle triangle PQR. Now it is right angle triangle because this angle we have drawn right angle. So right angle triangle, so by Pythagoras theorem we can write it PQ square plus PQR square is equal to PR square. This one we can write it, and PR square is equal to AB square plus BC square as by construction. Okay, according to the construction we construct AB is equal to PQ. So we can write it PR square is equal AB square plus BC square. Now this first two relation also we have this one AC square. This has given in condition in the theorem AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Okay, therefore its right hand side is same of 2 and 3. Comparing 2 and 3 we are getting right hand side is same, so left hand side PR square is equal to AC square. Okay, now in triangle ABC and in triangle PQR, so here we can write it PR is equal to AC as PR square is equal to AC square. Now in this two triangle, try to congruent this two triangle. First AB is equal to PQ, BC is equal to QR by construction. These two are equal we have taken. AC is equal to PR just now we have proved that. So therefore by side congruency rule these two triangle are congruent. These two triangle are congruent. As they are congruent, by CP/CT we can write angle B is equal to angle Q. So angle Q is 90 degree. Already in construction we have done that, angle Q 90 degree. Therefore angle B also 90 degree. That proved. Very good. Now you practice repeatedly all these 5 proving. Thank you very much.